How to turn on sleep mode in Waze application. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on sleep mode in Waze application. For that, you will need to open your Waze application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here at the top left, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those 3 horizontal lines to reach to a new page. And on this page, here you will find power button that says shut down. You will just need to tap on this power button icon, and this will put the Waze application into the sleep mode, which effectively turns off the app without closing it completely. When you tap on it, your app will be closed automatically, but it will not turn off the app completely. In this sleep mode, Waze will not provide navigation instructions or use location services, which also saves battery and data usage. Now to wake the app from sleep mode, you just simply have to tap on this application and it will turn off the sleep mode in your Waze application. So in this way, you can turn on sleep mode in Waze application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.